Building a web-based driver drowsiness detection app. This is a Python-based project with an MySQL database. We have the source code open here on the screen. So let's get started with the project. One of the most common causes of accidents is driver drowsiness and fatigue. Each year, the number of people killed in such accidents rise around the world. In this project, there are two modules, admin and user. The user has to register their account and log in using a username and password. Using OpenCV, the system will detect eye closure or yawning actions in real time. If it finds any, it will highlight a red rectangle and add it to login to the table. The user can view all their logs in My Logs. To log into the system, the admin can log in with the username and password. The admin can view the list of all the users and can also view their logs. This driver drowsiness detection system is intended to reduce the number of accidents caused by driver drowsiness and fatigue. This will in turn increase transportation safety. And please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.